Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share my recipe for ginger snap cookies. We're going to start with half a cup of softened butter, and this has been sitting at room temperature for a while. And then I like to add a quarter cup of grapeseed oil. I just find that this adds a certain delicate consistency, a fluffiness to the cookies that I really have come to love. To the fat, now we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of cane sugar and just begin to cream those ingredients together. Add 1 egg. And begin to cream those ingredients together. This will give you a smoother consistency now. Add a quarter cup of molasses. And a teaspoon of vanilla. Now this is nice and silky smooth, so it's time to add the ginger. I'm adding about 3 tablespoons of pureed ginger. The ginger is another excellent ingredient in this cookie that elevates it from simply being a sugary indulgence to a more healthful and substantive sweet treat. So we'll set that aside and now begin to focus on our dry ingredients. So in a separate bowl, you'll add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of buckwheat flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a half teaspoon of salt, and combine the ingredients together with a whisk. Now you're going to sift in your flour, your dry ingredients, to your wet. And I'll take just about half of the flour and begin to sift that into the wet mixture. And combine. Now add the rest. One more thing we'll add before the final mixture is a teaspoon of cinnamon. And now we're ready to stir all of this together until it's nice and smooth. While this dough is coming together, please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. That way you can keep getting fresh flavor every week. So this is coming together nicely, but this batter is just a little bit soft, still a little bit loose, so I'm adding a bit more flour to the mixture just to stiffen it a bit, but ensuring that I don't add too much so that the cookies still come out nice and delicate. I tend to prefer soft cookies or a softer cookie instead of a crisp cookie. So while I want to stiffen the batter a little bit more, I don't want to do so much that then the cookies become kind of hard and super, super firm. Our cookie dough has come together nicely and we're ready to bake. I have lined my cookie sheet with parchment paper, and I'm just going to begin to take the dough and make 1-inch balls and place them on the cookie sheet. You can definitely get a dozen cookies on this cookie sheet. I have just taken this approach today to do the baker's 8. Nonetheless, you will stick this in the oven for 15 minutes at 350 degrees. Here they are fresh out of the oven and the smell is wonderful. Put them on a cooling rack for a few minutes before you enjoy, but once you do, this cookie is moist, tender, perfectly sweet with that beautiful through line of ginger. Enjoy.